Good morning, guys. Welcome to Wake Up Wednesday with Tina Williams. All right, we are gonna get right into it because yesterday I was out and I was gonna do the Talk to Tina Tuesday at 5 and literally could not get to a computer. I was out, my cord wasn't working. So we're gonna do two today in one. We're gonna do the Talk to Tina grants. And also, we're going to do the Wake Up Wednesday business funding. So, we're going to get through it really quick. Guys, can you do me a favor and make sure you comment, even on the replay, about your business, where you're viewing from? Make a shout out to your business, let everybody know who you are. And also share this because every little bit helps. And, you know, also, I look on there and see what type of businesses are in here, and we can keep this thing continuing. Oh, also, before I start, we are having a Business Boost Bootcamp powered by Comerica Bank today at 9:30. So I put the link to register in. Guys, they're going deep, deep, deep dive into everything. We had an excellent conversation last week. It was I was excited. So, I mean, a lot of times that is happening. And so guys, get on there. All right. So here we go. We're going to go right into looking because oops, let me share my screen here. God, for some reason my eyes are just like watering today. Okay, so we got some accelerators at Target. They want Black founders. So Target for Founders is the accelerator program for early stage CPG companies looking to better understand retail. Is designed to help historically under-resourced founders be to the next wave of wealth building companies. And they got the calendar on here. They want to open to they're open to most product categories at Target. So kind of getting your products in Target. They objectives to get connected to the industry. Hi, Raheem. Good morning. Target members and other cohort members while gaining access to leading retail knowledge in stores. So they got a lot of stuff going on here. They want you to have lifetime revenue of 5,000 to 5 million. And they want to. Hi, Deborah. How you been doing, lady? We gotta talk. Okay. So that's on that. So if you want to go just look for Target accelerators.com, and it's Target Ford Founders. That's what that is. This is Get Ready Venture program. And it's really for Black and minority. Oh man, this one just closed. They're going to be opening this one back up, but it's funded by the Fearless Fund. They have a whole bunch of things, Village United and NEC. All right, we had the Readiness Innovation Challenge. It's a tech challenge for $50,000. So just kind of different things there. But I want to quickly get into our business funding application because we were talking about getting business funding. So I'm actually going to show you the application for Detroit Development Fund. This is a company that has funded a few of my clients. Now this one is a CDFI and they're based in Detroit, so your business has to be in Detroit, but the application is similar on all across the United States. So we're just going to go ahead and look at their application. So here's a checklist that you might have. Sometimes you might have to sign up 4506T. In our package, we put a copy of your articles of incorporation, your bylaws. If you don't have bylaws, there are easy ways to get that. You can go on LegalZoom, Rocket Lawyer, and also Legal Shield will review it for you. Those sort of things. Your current list of officers. If you're a partnership, you have to have those things. Limited liability. company. You got to have your articles of organization and your operating agreement. Again, if you need those legal agreements, you can put that. Sometimes you are a sole member corporation and also a sole member limited liability. So your operating agreement and bylaws will be a little bit different depending on if you're a sole member. And then you got a sole proprietorship, which I do not suggest, because when you borrow as a sole proprietorship, you're borrowing in your personal name. We're not going to talk about that today, but just make sure you are a corporation or a limited liability. That's going to help you out. And then basically, if you are applying for construction or rehab, you have to also have construction and rehab cost analysis inside of your loan package. And if it's for rental properties, you have to have your income and expense statement for the subject property and the current rent roll list. So, guys, make sure, when you want to know what you have when you're looking for this. So your personal financial statements, a lot of people like, well, why do I have to have my personal financial statements for a business loan? Well, they want to know that if the business is not doing well, can you still afford to pay the loan out of your personal household? So you are going to have some things here. So you're going to have your personal financial statement, which I will go over, 3 years of personal federal tax returns. For a business, you have to have the business returns as well. Last 3 years of W-2s, last 2 months of your bank or brokerage statement for each individual on the application, and a copy of your divorce decree or any bankruptcy discharge if you've had any. So, a lot of people think if you have a bankruptcy, you will not be able to do this. So we're going to actually skip through that. But basically, you are looking at just stuff that you have to have in your application. Additional information, your names of an institution. Are you a owner? Do you have any business indebtedness? So they're going to ask you, do you owe anything for your business right now? Just, history of your business, different things that you have on there. So let me pull this over here really quickly. Sorry here, guys. Want to pull up this little statement here. You're going to have your P&L statement in there. You're going to have your you're going to definitely have to have your personal. So your personal needs to be in there, but your P&L statement needs to be in there as well, because they want to see what you have left after all of your bills for your business are paid. And are you going to be able to take care of the loan application after that? Are you going to be able to pay for the payment? I'm going to pull up a couple of other things. You're going to also have your personal employment history. So a basic resume needs to go inside of there, your education, and then pretty much your signatures. It doesn't seem like a lot, but it is, so these are things that you have to put in a loan application. Other things that I've seen in a loan application is, and particularly for this one, they require you to have life insurance in the amount of the loan, and it needs to be payable to them. So now you would get that after you're obviously approved, and they're going to send something called a conditional letter of approval. So after all your conditions are done, you got to kind of get all the stuff together, and then they'll review it and make sure that happens. So those are some of the other things I've seen that you would need to have in a loan package. Next week, guys, I am actually going to pull a whole loan package together for you guys so that you can see what one looks like, in entirety with the business plan and everything together. But that's what we want you to have. Now, guys, there is a Business Boost Bootcamp today. starting at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. We are going to be spending an hour on there going through total, just everything. So if you want to go, it's powered by COMERICA Bank. If you're going to come, they're actually sponsoring you guys. So it's a free registration. So go ahead, register, and I'll see you in about 20 minutes. Bye, guys. Thank you.